everybody. Right, today we're going to start by counting in tens, okay? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. And now we'll count backwards. 120, 110, 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 0. Well done. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to give you a number and I'm going to show you a numicon shape. So this number is, that's right, a 5. We're going to count in tens on from 5, like this. 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 105, 115, 125. Okay, and let's do the same with this number. Have a look. What is it? That's right, it's an 8. Okay, 8, 18, 28, 38, 48, 58, 68, 78, 88, 98, 108, 118, 128. Very good. Okay, what I'd like us to do now, just get my pen. I'd like us to have a little look at the symbol we were looking at last week. And this symbol is less than. So let's have a look on the board. We're going to say the number 9. Can you see that? 9 is less than, and we want to know what number is it less than. So I'm going to give you a choice of 2. Is it less than 3? Or is it less than 16? Is 9 less than 3? Or is 9 less than 16? Yes, that's right. It's 16 because 16 is more than 9 and 9 is less than 16. Well done.
Hi everybody, so we are on to our main teaching session today, and today we are learning about missing numbers. Now I'm going to tell you another little story. So Class A have 9 paintbrushes usually, but for some reason Class B have taken some of their paintbrushes. Now I know that happens in our school, doesn't it, boys and girls, where people take things from our classroom, things go missing and we're not quite sure where they've got to, but we have got to be a little bit like detectives today to try and find out just how many paintbrushes Class B have taken. Now they usually have 9 paintbrushes, but there are only 5 left, and there is a special way of writing the number sentences to try and work out how many have been taken, and Mrs. Kerry is going to show you how we do that.
Okay, so if I write this number sentence down here, okay, so Class A have 5 paintbrushes left. They normally have 9 paintbrushes, and this box is showing us that this is the number that have gone missing. Okay, and that's the bit that we need to work out. How are we going to work that out, do you think, Miss Childers?
Oh gosh. So they usually have 9.
Yeah.
And they've got 5 left.
That's all
and we
they've
need
got.
to work out what number should go in there. Could we use the pan balance?
Good idea.
Let's check
we
it,
like the
shall
pan.
we?
Let's check it with the pan balance.
Okay, so we know that Class A usually have 9 paintbrushes, and we know they have got 5 left. So let's put that over there and we might be able to work out, can you see that? How many paintbrushes do we think Class B have taken? Let me hear you shout it. Oh, some good suggestions. Let's check. I think most people are saying 4 then, but let's just have a look. So I'm going to put 9 in there because I know that is how many paintbrushes Class A usually have. And they've got 5 at the moment. Now I know that some children were shouting 4. So let's just see if you're correct. Let's see if that balances. Thinking about it. Yeah, I think that's correct.
It does, yeah.
Well done if you thought the answer was 4.
Hi, right, so we thought that there were 9 paintbrushes altogether, and there's the 5 that Class A had left, and we worked out that it was 4 paintbrushes that Class B had borrowed. Okay, so how are we going to record that on our number sentence? So we have 5 and something equals 9, and we think it's 4, so we write the 4 in the empty box, and that's how you work that out. And that is the end of the teaching for today. Hi, so this is the sheet that we're going to do today. I want you to first of all just get hold of your Numicon. You cut it out last week, didn't you, when you went round with the scissors? So you can use your Numicon shapes to help you with this task if you'd like to. So this is the sheet that you will need today. It looks like this, and it's using the empty box notation that we've just been talking about. So the first number sentence says 6 equals something, add 3. Okay, so here I've got my 6. So 6 equals something, add 3. Okay, so if we put our 3 this way around here, what is it? Something, add 3 makes the 6. That's right, it's this 3 here. It's a bit tricky holding all these things up at the same time. Okay, so you're going to put 3 in that box. All right, let's have a look at the next one. So the next one starts with an empty box. So it's something equals 5, add 5. Now I know, and you know that number. That's a number sentence I think you already know, and we were looking at it yesterday. So 5 and 5 equals... Right, and you need to put the answer in the box. Okay, so that's for that one. Then let's have a look at the next one. 7 equals 5, add something. And we don't know what this something is, so we need to work it out. So you can get your Numicon. So this is how many it's got to add up to. 7 equals 5 and something. So let's get our 5, and then we know what the something is. Put it over the 7. 7 equals 5 and what is it? That's right, 2. And so you need to write, excuse me, put number 2 in the box. Okay, and I'd like you to do all of the ones on the sheet, and then you can ask your mums or dads to take a little photograph of it and email it through to us, and then we can have a little look at your work. Okay, bye.